Spelling activities turn learning into a fun brain game. Help students improve their spelling skills with over 100 fun activities and 10 games. Themed activities motivate students to practice spelling patterns and word study. Hands-on activities engage students in learning while they play. Each book includes additional worksheets that include the same spelling words as building spelling skills. Spelling practice has never been this fun. Spelling strategy charts give students clever ways to remember spelling rules. Shop spelling games and activities at www.evan-moor.com.